So yun nga, merong isang file, data compression algorithm plus program with source code. Kumbaga sa NSA ko lang pinadala. And or NASA, sa kanila lang. Deleted ko yan sa hard disk ko. Deleted sa Gmail, sent box ko, pati sa trust folder ng Gmail, deleted. And then, limot ko yan. Then, pero after a few days, in 1 or 2 days, 3 days, mag-isip na naman ko yan na i-remember ko na yan ulit. And then, in one case nga, na-improve ko pa. Na-improve ko pa yung program na yon, algorithmically nga, na-improve ko pa. Mas improve pa nga, tama pa, nung inalala ko. Nung na-remember kong i-redevelop yun, recode, na-improve ko pa. May mga instances na ganyan that time. When I was emailing, developing, implementing those data compression algorithms in 2008.